Hello. My name is Kelly Hicks, and I'm going to show you one of my trailers. This is a 2016 Summit. It's unit number 5386. It's a front living room, no loft, and it is a new offering by Quail Ridge and Summit. It is a Summit. I meant to say a new offering by Forest River. It's got cream siding, white shutters, white windows, white trim, and a silver roof, or what you would call white shingles. I call them silver. You can probably not quite see the roof. Anyhow, let's go on inside and have a look. This one's made to be our price leader. It's inexpensive as far as park models go. If you pay full MSRP on this thing, you would pay $36,000 and some change. Just like the Quail Ridges, there's several features common to all Summits. They all have a swivel rocker. This one has the optional fireplace. It's got linoleum through the entire main floor. Everything in them stays in them. It's got a round table with 4 chairs. Got a nice hutch. Sleeper sofa. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Stainless steel sink. Single lever faucet. Black appliances, but they are full size. You got a 36 range, 36-inch microwave. Surprisingly bright here in the bathroom. You've got a tub and shower surround. Nice big medicine cabinet. Vanity with storage underneath. Nice big pantry closet. You could stick some linens or towels in there if you had to. Here's the bedroom. It's got the Summit mirrored wardrobe. That's how every Summit will be. Has a mirrored wardrobe and the drawers beside and underneath. Since there's no loft, you could have a ceiling fan in the master bedroom. So this is a pretty sharp trailer here. I like it. It's got the butter rum cabinetry. It's not a huge cost. And it's got a lot of open space. I could easily see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people sitting around on a rainy day and not being too crowded. Well, that concludes my tour of the 2016 Summit front living room. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to talk further about this, just call Kelly Hicks at 815-849-9089 and reference unit number 5386. Well, have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I sure have several hundred you can view.